In today's short discussion, we will discuss about online and offline class for English medium and discuss some of misconception about Sanskrit literature. The first question is it true that in Sanskrit optional lacks the textual content? The answer is quite right that there is no such book available in the market, both in English medium or Hindi medium, which can fulfill all the needs of UPSC. Many people still name some tests which was useful before 2000 but not relevant today. Some of these names are Umashankar Sharma Rishi, McDonald, Keith, etc. All these tests will help only 5 to 10% in your study. This means that in today's time, these books help a little but are unnecessary in our study. We will further discuss why the material available in our institute is more than sufficient. Now, come to the second question. Some of you ask, Sir, its syllabus is very small, but how will we learn Sanskrit writing? Let me tell you first. If you work hard with me for only 15 days, you will able to solve all the questions which are necessary to UPSC. And for writing, we have 3 books that will be easily reach you from zero to advanced level in a scientific way. All these books will change the way you write. Now come to third question. Many of you ask, do all question in UPSC have to be written in Sanskrit only? The answer is no. In both the question paper, 16 questions are asked, out of which 10 questions had to be answered. In that also, only 3 questions had to be answered in Sanskrit. But I tell the student that you answer at least 5 questions in Sanskrit. You may be thinking that it is difficult to write only 3 questions. Where will I be able to write 5 questions? Isn't it? See, in first paper, question number 1 you have to write in Sanskrit, which is grammar portion. In this portion, you have to write only 2 to 3 lines from Sangya, Sandhi, Samas, etc. And second question, which you have to write in Sanskrit, is question number 5, which is essay and related to culture and philosophy. In this question, you have to write 120 to 130 words only, around 15 lines. If you learn how to write Sanskrit of our class for 15 days, you can easily write this section. And I will teach you to write without memorizing so that you can write the answer in a natural way. One more thing, the essay that comes either from culture or philosophy, which we read in question number 6 and 7. This means even the essays that comes in exam are asked from the predetermined topic. Now coming to question number 8, which is not compulsory, but if you want to attempt this question, you must have to write in Sanskrit only. Question number 8 is very easy because 2 passages are given, and based on those passages, 5 questions are asked in 2 or 3 lines, which can be done very easily if you know how to write Sanskrit and learn the way we taught you. In the second question paper, there are 4 questions in which have only 30 question, or you say verses, flokas. Out of these 30, 5 or 3 questions are asked every year. There is no possibility that any other question should be made. In the second paper, question number 5 is compulsory to write in Sanskrit. That too you have to write in about 10 to 15 lines only. So this is very easy. Now coming to the sixth question, which we have to write in Sanskrit. It is not compulsory, but if you have to write this question, then you have to write in Sanskrit only. It also has 30 slokas and 3 or 4 questions are asked every year. In this way, if you had learned to write Sanskrit, then you can easily give all those Sanskrit answers. I believe that you should write 3 compulsory Sanskrit questions, but you should also write 2 other questions, 8-number question in the paper first and 6-number question in the second paper. Let's move on the next topic, class timing and notes. Regarding the time period of a coaching class, it will take around 4 months. 2-hour class and 1 hour homework are more than sufficient to your preparation. Now coming to the next for notes. When I started coaching, I decided that material should not be obstructed in your study. That's why, whether it is Hindi or English medium, the complete material will be available to you. You will not need to buy any other book. You don't have to learn any other book which is available in market. So our material are more than sufficient. Under this, we send notes through courier if you are away from Delhi. We also provide 12 tests which you can give even after class. Apart from this, whenever mains paper happen, 15 days free mains oriented class is given to you that your preparation can be completed for that particular year. So students, today we discuss some question related to our class and some query related to misconception about Sanskrit literature. In upcoming videos, we will discuss detailed syllabus of the whole Sanskrit literature. If you have any query, you can leave your comment in the comment box or you can message me on WhatsApp 8800434635. Thanks for the time. Jayatu Bharatam.